The really weird thing about the site that I use is I swear to you that none of these songs that we're listening to were on this playlist the last time I listened to it, which was only like a few days ago. Maybe I just really wasn't paying attention. I'm not sure. I like this one. What a fun song. I love that. Where's the button? Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Oh, chat. Let's bring you up where people can see you. But also, it's not my theme song. It's just a rip. So my new thing, I don't have a theme song anymore. Now I just play whatever's on the vibe playlist for the day. And today it's a playlist called Chiptune. It's a chiptune playlist. By the way, tell me if the music's ever too loud, too quiet, whatever. Hello, everybody. Oh Lord, we in Unity. We sure are. Well, hypothetically, we might not be at least right here for long because really already? That was quick. All right, one sec. There we go. Really, YouTube, is there only one person watching me? You know what? I don't believe you. You know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and say I don't believe you. Anyways, this app is hypothetically, fingers crossed, knock on wood, done already. I just haven't had the emotional strength to double check that. I couldn't remember what was the reason that I hadn't just released it. I mean, at least the alpha. It's missing some annoying things, but the alpha at least hypothetically should be done. So, you know, we're gonna find out. Today we're gonna find out why exactly I haven't released it. And you know, that'll be fun. So basically this app here takes your hand motion data. Here, actually you can see it a little better if I hide it. Takes your hand motion data from your leap motion, which is a lot better at hand tracking than a webcam, which is what VTube Studio currently can track. It can track your hand movement from a webcam. It takes that and it puts it into VTube Studio for 2D VTubers. In my alpha version, I think I only have just the same essentially capabilities that the VTube Studio hand motion tracking has. But quickly, as soon as I make sure that this actually works and connects to people's computers and stuff, which is the point of the alpha, then we will... It's so small. Let me make it a little bigger. Can't see any of my fun hand motions. I talk with my hands so often, you guys can never see it. So I want you guys to be able to see it this time. So, I'm gonna release this alpha. fingers crossed. See, it even sees my fingers crossing. Fingers crossed today. And then there's some people on the VTuber Studio Discord who are going to help me out testing it and stuff. And then maybe next week we'll spend some time doing the proper dev of all the fun stuff, adding all the fun stuff back in, and fixing all the actual problems that I was having, which was hell. The reason that that app didn't come out literally a year ago when I said I was going to make it. So annoying. Anyways. So, it's not actually connected to VTuber Studio right now. This rainbow thing above me is my test hands. Let me double check that the port is correct. I feel like it's not. It's not. It's actually 802. And sure, go back to default's fine. The shoulders don't really matter for right now. This is all the the one non-default parameter it does have is angle Y. VTuber Studio does not track angle Y. That's the only new one it has. So connect. And then here, yep, it comes up with the logo and everything. Leap motion to live 2D by Lua Lucky. Say allow. It does track the distance really weirdly, I feel like. I don't know if that's like a me problem or like what. See, that's the back of my hands. See that? That's the back of my hands. That's the front of my hands. Back, front, back, front, back, front. Can't see chat. I just tried. Okay. So, and it tracks each of the individual fingers, as long as you can see them, of course. And I mean, there's no problems. It doesn't do Y tracking because I haven't set it up, I think. And it does go back to the default. I think the problem I was having was, it wasn't, it was like disconnecting, like the VTuber Studio. Oh, nope. I remember the problem. It stops tracking when one of the hands are gone. Damn it! Damn it! I knew there was something wrong. I know what the problem. I know where the source is at least, but oh my god. I've spent a lot of time on this, and it's a hard problem. It's a weirdly hard problem. I don't know why it's such an issue. Okay, so having sourced what the issue is, let us go to. Let me actually close this. Let's go to Unity. We're gonna go back to Unity, unfortunately, but I'm sure if I click play, it will all be fine. And then it'll ask me, "Oh, do you want to connect?" And I say, "Yes, I do want to connect." Connect. Yes. Allow. Okay, works just fine. One hand tracking works just fine. When I lose both of them, wait, why does it work? See? Wait, why it's working? Why is it working? Wait, why it's working? It's working now. What's the problem? Wait, what's happening? What's happening? Let me try exporting it again, I guess. What setting did I have the default? I think that's the difference. What setting did I have the... Maybe it needs to see two hands to tell which hand it is? No, that's not the problem. What setting did I have the default motion go back to at? Oh. Maybe that's it. Maybe go back to default is the bug. Let's find out. Yes. When it's set to go back to default, it can only track both of the hands. Okay, that's the problem. It's specifically this setting. Okay. Also, why did I get an index out of range exception? That's probably why it's not tracking. Oh, here we go. Also, my computer has this really fun, cute bug where it just, the console window causes my Unity to not boot up every single time I try to open Unity. And that's really cool. Sorry. Anyways, I tweeted that you guys can ask me game development questions, and you absolutely can do that. I can do both at the same time. I'm multi-talented. I can multitask. Okay, where is this getting an index out of range exception? Please, Visual Studio of the Mountain, tell me what's going on. Also, let me switch to Visual Studio. Perfect. Okay. I can't see chat. Visual Studio is too big. There we go. Okay, so it's a problem specifically with the go back to default, and I'm getting an error on line 404, which is right here, which is this. It's getting an index out of range. That's interesting. Ooh, hiccup. Why is it getting an index out of range? P. What is P? No, tracking previous. Why would it ever get an index out of range? There's only 2 hands. What index were you giving it? 404 index not found. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you, I betrayed all of you. I'm drinking a Coca-Cola today. I'm so sorry. Can't believe you've done this. So it's specifically... It's coming from 404? It's coming from here? Which it has to be this. Not accounting for... You know, honestly, the funny thing is I actually did write this such that it doesn't rely on there being 2 hands. It just takes whatever number of hands, I think. Maybe I changed it. Originally, I wrote this such that there could be an arbitrary number of hands, but I think... Yep, I changed it. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe it's the fact that I'm writing 2 here. But how will I get the number of hands I need? It seems ridiculous to me that the index of the hands would be more than 2. This time on Top 10 Anime Betrayals, Lua drinks Coca-Cola. I bought like... Okay, the problem is I bought mini cans of Coca-Cola thinking I would drink less of it. I've drinking 3 of them today. They just make me drink more. Every time I try to get the mini cans, I just drink more of them. Because what ends up happening is I drink 2 in one sitting, which is 1.5 times more than I would normally drink in one sitting if I just got a regular can. Okay. Because they're like 3/4 the size of a regular soda. Anyways, I was saying something about my command blocking Unity from launching. What was up with that? Oh, so what happens is every time I launch Unity, Unity itself is like, there was an error with your layout, which by the way, I use the default Unity layout. And it's like, there is an error with your layout and we cannot launch. Do you want to revert your layout to factory settings? And I'm like, yes. And then I quit, and then I have to revert the layout back to the default, which is what I use anyways, and then click quit. And then I have to restart it. This is literally every single time I launch any project, by the way, in Unity. It's not even a project-specific thing. It used to be a project-specific thing, and now it's just all Unity. I don't know. I probably need to uninstall Unity and reinstall it, but it's not even that big of a problem. Then, so the reason is, what it's complaining about, literally what it's complaining about is the fact that I bring up the console window. Oh, you can't see it. All it's complaining about is that I bring up the console window, which is this thing right here, which is literally this, having project here and then console right next to it is the default Unity layout. I need to make this very clear. This is the default Unity layout. But when I revert to factory settings, it closes the console window, even though this is in fact the default Unity layout. So I have to reopen the console, and I put it back where it always is, and then when I close Unity and try to open it again, it complains. Anyways, technology truly hates me. I actually have a serious problem where a lot of the computers that I've owned have weird problems exactly like this. And then people are like, why don't you just do it like this? And I'm like, that doesn't work. That literally, like, that feature doesn't work on my computer. And they're like at work, this happened at work. And they're like, no, just do it like this. And they sit down at my desk and they try to do it and they realize it doesn't work. And they're like, huh? And I'm like, yeah. It's happened so many times, especially with a program for Visual Studio called Unity Assist. No, not Unity. Visual Assist. It used to just not work on my computer, and it used to actually, in fact, cause extremely bad errors where I couldn't type spaces. So that was really cool, but now it works. We finally upgraded our Visual Studio, and I got a new version of Visual Assist. Okay, sorry, that was a really long tangent that no one cares about. Okay, not that they understand what's happening here either, because quite honestly, neither do I. Why did I even type if raw hand is greater than or equal to 0? It's always greater than or equal to 0. Why did I type that? What was I hoping to accomplish? Clearly not what I thought I was. I clearly did something. I clearly messed something up royally here. It's always 0 or 1. By the way, it's raw hand, which could be construed strangely. It's called that because there's an index depending on whether they're talking about the left or right hand. The left hand is 0 and the right hand is 1, I think, if I remember correctly. I did write this, but I don't remember. And if you mirror your movement... Oh, I haven't tested that yet. Did I take that out, actually? I think that might be broken too. Oh, I did take it out. Okay, it's not gonna be part of the alpha. It's not gonna be part of the alpha. We're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna ignore that feature. That'll be next. That'll be beta. It's not part of the MVP. But if you mirror the movement, obviously the indexes of the hands get switched. So the raw hands is the... Like quite a few issues like that where something absolutely doesn't work on my computer. Yeah, it's so weird. I mean, it's particularly bad on my personal computer. Actually, okay, the funny thing is that both my work computer and my personal computer have serious like hard drive and motherboard issues. It's very unfortunate. Unfortunately, my personal computer is really new and it literally just came out of the box like that. That's why you don't buy pre-builds from Newegg. Just saying. Don't. That I learned my lesson the hard way. Okay, raw hand. Raw hand just returns the hand index. And hand returns the mirrored hand index. I should call this unmirrored hand. Will you work? If I choose rename, will you work? Unmirrored hand. That work? It sure did. Newegg had a pre-build with 3090. It sure did. Sure did. It's the only way I got it. The only way to get a 3090 when I did was to get a pre-build. Not that I honestly could have built my own computer in the first place, but... Yeah, they had a pre-build with the... Something's wrong with my hand. Something's like very wrong with my hand since last night. I don't know what happened. But it's been like itchy and weirdly like painful and stuff. I don't know what's wrong. It's my left hand. Okay, why did I even write this check? What is this check here for? It doesn't make any sense. It literally doesn't make any sense. Oh. Because -1 is both the hands. Did I in fact write that? I believe that's what's happening here. I should really comment that because I wrote this and I didn't remember that. I'm gonna start probably. Oh my god, this is where I set up all the parameters, by the way. It's very painful, I know. Don't worry about it. Which one is the hand index? I probably set it up at the end or something. Hand distance. Yeah, here we go. Negative. Time to change it from indices to enums, huh? No, I specifically use indices because that's what Leap Motion does. But the other stuff is enums. The tracking parameters are enums, and there's a lot of stuff that's enums. Don't worry about it. Okay, so one-handed parameter. Two-handed parameter. Am I getting dry? I don't think it's a dryness thing. It's literally on like one dot of my hand. It's really weird. Did I spend 5K? I actually didn't. I think I spent 4K on my computer. It doesn't include the monitors and stuff I got, but they weren't that expensive. Let's see here. Okay, I see why I wrote this like this. That makes more sense. So, oh, because it's a two-handed. I understand everything now. Because the unmirrored hand index is -1. I have become enlightened. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Oh, actually, well, I guess we can do that, but we need to tracking previously. To be honest, it's actually very hard for me to not type in my company's coding standard, which is all lowercase. All lowercase. Really great. It's just really great. True. Why is it yelling? Oh, because it's not actually getting used. Oh, I guess that's what send is. I guess that's... No, it's not. Tracking previous equals. Sounds like a nightmare. It forces you to be really good at naming your variables. Programming streams are interesting because I know enough about coding to understand each line in isolations, but don't have the depth of knowledge to require to see how it all fits together. Well, to be fair, I'm not sitting here walking you through it, so you're kind of just seeing a snapshot of all the code. I wouldn't expect you to understand how it works. Just let it wash over you, you know? Just let it. Anyways, tracking previous would be tracking prev of the hand index in question. And here, I'm really lazy about typing. Please ignore the fact that I just like copy and paste everything, okay? Why is he yelling at me? What? Wait, what? What is the type of tracking previous? What is it? What? What? Where's tracking previous declared? Here it is. Yeah, what are you on about? It's a bool. It's just a bool. I'm getting an item from the bool. Why are you telling me it's a... Oh, because I'm stupid. There you go. Go for the inedible pen island variable. I had this... I never worked with him, but before I started at my company, there was a guy who always he would name all his stuff stupid, really stupid, like balls, like hairy balls and stuff like that, and it was very frustrating, and I didn't appreciate it. He left before I even started working there, but then he would were we supposed to put a link to our documentation of the code, and he just put a link to Rickroll. That was a real system that we had in our game. That wasn't even like a prototype system. How's the screaming going? The screaming is going very well. I did just solve a bug, which feels really good. I have to say that does feel really good, which I think is the last bug that I'm aware of. So that's fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic. I love that for me. Okay. Shall we run it again? Run it back again. You guys know that song? Oh, it's connected. It's working! Okay. Okay, we just need to test the other, so default VTuber Studio behavior is that when you lose tracking, it waits for half a sec, like 2 seconds, and then it goes back. Default Studio. Okay, one more, and this one's the easiest one because it was the default behavior when I wrote this. Oh no. See, here's the best part about that hairy balls thing. That wasn't a variable. That was the name of a whole gameplay system. You guys, I think we finished it. I got all the UX changes I wanted. I always get what I want. No. No problem. Thank you for making such a cool app. I can't wait to use it tomorrow. I'll be using it tomorrow for my tennis ball endurance stream. Challenge. It's a challenge. By the way, if you guys have any punishment games ideas, like punishment ideas, if I fail the challenge, please let me know. Your company has explicit jokes, doc. My company doesn't. That's the problem. Anyways, let's build it again. Let's run the build. Let's run the. I'm so excited. We're gonna make the itch.io page live on stream, and then we'll go to the concert. Go to the concert overlay. Cool. And there's a reason why the hands themselves are so far away in relation, like where the reason that they're in the relation. Let me run through this app for you guys. Actually, let's just do this. Let's just run through this app that I've built here for you. Here's how this works. It's this app right here takes Elite Motion, takes the data from Elite Motion, converts it into VTuber Studio parameters, sends it to VTuber Studio. You can connect to VTuber Studio here, connect to VTuber Studio. You can input the port right there. Once it is connected, I need to click allow. Once it is connected, it will say successfully connected. You can choose your behavior for if you lose tracking. The default is just go back to default immediately. But maybe you would want like the default VTuber Studio behavior, which is where it waits a second and then goes back. The Elite Motion doesn't really have a lot of stuttering, so that's why I feel totally fine doing the go back to default. But anyways, you can also adjust the height, the position of your shoulders, because in the next version, I mean, I have this already done. I just, for the alpha, I just wanted all the default VTuber Studio behaviors. But for the next version, you'll be able to get elbow position, elbow rotation, like the length how do I say this? How do I say this? The length, the foreshortened length of not only your forearm, but your upper arm. So for that, you need your shoulders to be in the correct position. So that's why that exists. I'll be honest, I have absolutely no idea what tracking mode does, and I wouldn't touch it. Position just changes, all this stuff allows you to change the position of the leap motion, which actually is in the wrong spot right now, but I'm not gonna worry about that. The rotation of leap motion, this lets you reset it. Reset. Ah, there it is, now it's in the right position. There we go. And then here you can see all of the VTuber Studio parameters and their values currently. I wonder, does this actually work? Does disabling them actually work? Oh, I guess it does. Cool. I love that for me. I made a feature that actually works. Elbow rotation. Only VTuber I know whose model isn't looking straight forward is Kason. What do you mean? Does elbow rotation as in elbow, how your elbow is, your forearm is rotated. That's what I mean. Like this. Like if you wave, that's your elbow rotating. It doesn't do a super perfect job of tracking the elbow, but it does like a surprisingly good job. See, like that's not bad. That's really not bad. The BGM has a certain sense of panic. True. I need to spend some time one day making hand distance has the wrong number of significant digits. We can fix that. That's extremely easy. Just run back to Visual Studio. And this is something you deal with in, I believe it's update value. It also has shoulder rotation. Actually, do I have shoulder rotation? I can't remember. Yeah, I have shoulder rotation. Upper arm rotation is the shoulder, and forearm rotation is the elbow. I should change it. I should change it. Okay, here is where we choose a significant number of digits, which is where's the choosing which ones get what? Am I blind? Make it look good in UI. Oh, it's because of this. Oh, it's because the minute max of this is, I think, 10. So it was... Okay, I think if I do this, it'll be good. Let me test it. The inevitable live 3D upper body workout stream. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah, now it's good. Now, oh, you can't see it, but... Yeah, see, now the hand distance here is has more significant digits. I don't know why it's changing. Oh, I guess because it just considers that your hand is still in the same place. Do I have it set to stay at pose? Oh, I do. That's why. Never mind. That makes sense, actually. Sounds like an appropriate sweat test for a new app. I mean, stress test. Well, the stress test is gonna be me unleashing this to the Discord tonight, right now. So let me build this. We're gonna right now we're gonna make the itch.io page. Let's zip this up. I hope no one uses Mac because I refuse to. I mean, I can export it for Mac, but I don't want to do that right now. Upload new project. This one is going to be called Leap Motion. No, Leap Motion is 2 words, isn't it? I think I've been spelling it wrong this whole time. Oh, it sure is. Let me re-export the project with the correct spelling. Leap Motion. But maybe if I put it together, then they won't find me. Okay, you know, we're gonna continue to spell it wrong because TBH, they don't like... Never. No, I'm not saying anything. Public beta. Yeah, well, public alpha. That's the worst part. It's a public alpha. Leap motion, VTube, leap motion to VTube Studio plugin. I'm not gonna show you this page. It's too much effort. It's not as effort. I don't want it to show something that it shouldn't show. You know what I mean? Camel case. This is we're gonna call this a. Why is that was weird. The URL thing isn't updating, so I'm just gonna. Oh, it's too long. Wait, what? What's happening? Why is this? Oh, this is so weird. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna refresh the page since I haven't done that much yet. Yeah, reload it. There we go. Leap lotion, deep ocean. Meat motion, heap cushion. Heat leap leap. I don't know. A VTS plugin that tracks hands using a leap motion device, which I'm spelling wrong on purpose. Is it downloadable? It is in development. You can donate to me, sure. Default is 0. The file is leap motion to live CD. Ruh-roh raggy. Roshin. The custom noun is plugin. Sleep potion. What is it? Potion seller. No, adventurer. You can't handle my potions. This is the alpha. Oh, speaking of, did I actually set the build settings correctly? I did. It's version 0.1. It's called Leap Motion to Live 2D. The company name is me. The company name is me. In my version, in my implementation of my VTube Studio API for Unity, because I use my own because I'm extra, I just take the company name of the app and I take the icon of the app and I just use those by default. So it's a lot easier for me to just make some new stuff. Can't believe we don't have a potion seller VTuber. I'm extremely confident I have seen it was specifically a VTuber that was referencing the meme. Like it was the VTuber concept was referencing the meme. I know I've seen this. I almost banned your comment, Ren, because it looks so much like the Russian, oops, sorry, those Russian spam links that I get. And then I realized, oh no, that's a pun. Alpha build of a VTube Studio plugin that takes hand tracking data from a leap motion device and sends it to VTube Studio. Period. This build only covers the default VTube Studio hand tracking parameters plus hand angle Y, but many more parameters will be added in the next version, including list, unordered list, finger spread, elbow tracking, for position and rotation. There's some other ones. There were some other weird ones. Wait, what were they? Maybe there weren't any weird ones. Maybe it's just that. Oh, shoulder rotation. Shoulder rotation. Shoulder tracking, parentheses rotation. Sorry, I was looking at chat. In your VTS API implementation, you allow multiple discrete plugins per app. I don't know why I did this, so you can specify unique icons. Interesting. By the way, I tried to use yours, and I couldn't figure out how to give it a WebSocket. That was what stopped me. I could not figure it out. So, anyways, I'm not a particularly good programmer, nor am I any sort of Unity savant. So, do I have to submit it as a draft first? I guess so. Actually, let's just take no payments, at least for now. That's for sure. Save and view. Draft. Let's convert this to public because it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Save. Now let's go to the page. Actually, let me change it. Alpha. Save. View page. Please message you. It's so much effort. Can I just show you? Let me submit this to the Discord and then I'll just show you. It's way easier than messaging you. Wait, let me double check that I did in fact add hand angle Y because I don't actually... Oh, I should add my test Oh, I don't know if I added hand angle Y. Wait, did it? Wait. I might have missed something. I'm about to find out if I missed it. Wait. When I... Okay, those are that one. We have this up. Connect it. Allow. Did it just create a bunch of parameters? Shoot, it did. Oh, wait, no, wait. Ah, shoot. Frick. Okay, shoot. Okay, it's creating a bunch of parameters I don't want it to create. So that's wrong. Let's fix that. At least I don't want to create it for the alpha. Why do you deliberately defy me? Sorry, I was just watching a Mommy Dearest review right before this stream. So the problem is is not and p dot enabled. How is it going? It's going. Okay. I'm about to finish this app, which feels really good because, wow, holy crud, have I been lacking on my upkeep with this project. And so it feels good to finally get it to a point where I can show it to people and hopefully get some feedback. And hopefully they'll tell me how good or horrible it is. And that will be fantastic. I got so sidetracked just now that I started just clicking on things. I just started clicking on things. Okay, what I meant to do was I meant to remove my plugin from this so that it will remove all the custom parameters. There it is. Select, delete, remove. And now we're gonna run it again. Run it back again. Connect. Oops, you can't see it. There we go. Allow. Now, if we go to the parameters section, will we see that it has included all these custom parameters? Perfect. It did, but also it missed one. I wanted to include... Just kidding. I guess it didn't. I guess that's just not part of it. I guess that's just not part of my alpha. Fair enough. Okay. Hand angle Y will be in the next build. I thought I put it as part of this one, but I guess not. Save. Cool. Okay, let's build it again because obviously that build was wrong. Gutted. Disgusting. So sidetracked that I just started clicking on things mood. I have a really bad problem with that. I do the same thing with my body too, in that what happens is if I'm kind of high energy and I just get really into a thought, I just stand up and I start walking as if I have some place to go, and I end up just doing a lap of my house. It's a real problem when and it happens frequently, when I have a dish I'm trying to put in the sink. Like 25% of the time, I will just walk straight into the bathroom. The heck? Also, I just realized I'm kind of stuttery. Have I been stuttery for like this whole time? I've like, as in a year now. I only noticed it when I was like streaming, when I was interviewed by Domo, but I'm seeing it out of the corner of my eye and I have a lot of questions. I wonder if it has to do with NDI. Oop. Uh-oh. Now I'm just... Oh, there we go. Oh my god, the delay is so bad. Okay, that sucks. We're not doing that. I'll take stuttery, not delay over that. I wonder if source timing will make it better. Hello? Hello? Tell me if I glitch slightly. Like if I freeze for a quarter of a second and then move. You can see that live 3D dropped frames. That's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I'm talking about. I mean, my bathroom does have a sink, but that doesn't help me. Okay, let's build this. Because it's not live 3D. The problem is not live 3D. The problem is going to OBS. The path from BTS to OBS, it's stuttering. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Cool. Let me repackage this real quick. Add to archive. Zip it up. And it just saved over this one, right? Okay, I'm nervous that it didn't, so I'm just gonna delete the old one. Add to archive. Zip. Okay, zip that. Also, we need to go grab my test VTube Studio model and zip that up and send that along with it. Let's name it something completely different. Also doesn't have a icon. I guess I should just do some stuff with that, huh? Okay. Okay, test hands. Test hands. Can we get a pose? Thank you. Can you give us a pose? Okay, we ready? Let's get a screenshot. There we go. Save that. And then crop it. Oof. Square. Can make this icon for the VTube model that I'm gonna give with this plugin. Save a copy. I'm gonna call this icon and we're gonna put it in the correct folder. There we go. And now I'm going to assign it. Seeing how the butter gets made. What is it? Is that what it's called? Is that what the first saying is? That's not what it is it? I think... Oh, let me delete that extra parameter. Okay, good. Cool. Let's package that up as well. archive. Test. Not text. Test. Live 2D hands. Basic. I'll call it that. Basic. How the sausage gets made. That's right. Sausage. Have you guys ever watched that YouTube channel? There's a YouTube channel, and I think it's called How the Sausage Gets Made. But it's just these people who make sausage of like things that shouldn't be made into sausage. It's really funny. Ball game. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back, and it's root for the home team. If they don't win, that's a shame. 'Cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. What would you call a Live 2D asset? Is that an executable? Documentation? Mod? I guess it's graphical assets. So I'll just save it as graphical assets. Okay, let's save that. Do I mean like carrot sausages or like cement sausages? Oh, it's food. So one of the only videos I ever watched from this channel was they made a whole Thanksgiving meal into sausages, which honestly sounds pretty good. If I'm not lying. Okay. Let me gret on Discord and send this off so I can stop thinking about it. Hello, it's very late. But here is the, I almost typed Z, is the alpha build for my Leap Motion VTS plugin. If you have a Leap Motion, I would seriously appreciate, spelled that wrong, some testing. You can leave feedback on the itch.io comments. Hello, exclamation point. If you have a Leap Motion, I'd seriously appreciate some testing. Oh, there is a test hand model with on the page too, but I'd appreciate it being tested with other models too. Period. And enter. Oh my god, finally. Oh, that feels good. That feels like a wait. I have so many things I can now cross off my checklist of to do. I'm closing so many windows right now. Do you know how good that feels? I think it was a sandwich that was Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey stuffing, cranberry sauce. It was pretty good. I've had a similar sandwich. It was really good. I'll have to say, the sandwich I had, they put way too much cranberry sauce. You just need like a little tiny smattering. It's kind of like the jellyfish jelly Krabby Patty thing. It's very similar. Okay, let me cross these things off my checklist to do, because once I do that, I will feel the full satisfaction. Oh, it's Monday, my dude. Is it Monday? It's Tuesday. Oh my god, I'm so messed up. I really thought it was Monday. Okay, so we're done with this project, but we have another project to do. We have another project to work on. I have another Unity project, which is my concert overlay, which you may or may not have seen, especially because I tweeted about it recently because I had to make a bunch of changes to it because I was using the outdated, oops, this is still here. I was using the outdated Twitch API that literally got deprecated yesterday. So, it's not Monday, my dude. Okay, see, let's see if it does that thing where it yells at me and I have to restart Unity. It's actually opening. Oh, it's actually opening. Nope. Revert factory settings. Continue. Quit. Never mind. Just kidding. Please don't leave. Please don't leave. Please don't leave. Please don't leave. 1 second. I'm bringing up the Unity content right now. Actually, I'm surprised we got that leap motion stuff done in an hour. That feels like a speed run. So, okay. Okay. I've actually never worked on this on stream because there's actually a very specific reason. And that specific reason is that some of these documents have... Wait, what's going on here? Oh, Unity's messed up. Oh, Unity's messed up. Okay, this isn't good. I should restart this. Don't leave. Please don't leave. I know it's a black screen. Please don't leave, for the love of God. Oh, yeah, that socket issue. Which project was I doing this test in? Was it... I'll just open this one. The time I tried to make a VTube Studio sound plugin and got caught up... literally just a UI problem. I solved the actual tech issue. I'm so bad at UI, especially with Unity. Going forward, I'm going to try to use this thing called Fairy GUI. We'll see how well it works. I don't know. But yeah, let me just quickly show you what my problem is because I'm stupid. Yes, 1 second. Actually, let me just make this into its own window. Come on, Asset Store, I believe in you. Show me the money. VTube Studio. There it is. I don't know why when I type in VTube Studio, it, like, as the main app shows me Simple Town cartoon assets. Thanks. Oh, I have it in here. It says I have it in here already. This was the one I was testing it with, I guess. I don't believe it. Oh, I don't. It's just a liar. It's just a liar, man. Import. Okay. So, for my WebSocket, I use a WebSocket that's just called Native WebSocket, and it's just something I found online. It's like an open source MIT thing. And let's say I have now downloaded Skeletoms, Unity, what's it called? Dang. Did it actually import or did it just not do that? Oh, here it is. Okay. README. I'm opening the README. Ah, these stupid Russian bots. Okay. And I read the README. I read the README. I don't remember what it said, but I read it. Oh, it's too big. It's so big. There's so much text on screen. I don't have word wrap on, so that's cool. Okay. Ignoring that, let's just open the My First Plugin one. Here we go. So you have to do new WebSocket Sharp implementation, new JSON utility implementation, new Torcus. First of all, I don't know. That's a whole other thing. I didn't even look at that. I just tried to get the WebSocket going. Also, I also use for the JSON stuff, I literally also use something that I just found online. And I tried to type in, okay, so I use something called using native WebSocket is what it's called. And it's just called WebSocket. So I just type in WebSocket. It doesn't like it. Does not contain a constructor that takes 0 arguments. So my problem is that I don't feel like changing the native WebSocket. I think that's my primary issue. is I don't feel like changing stuff that I didn't write. What does it take? I believe it takes the URL as its constructor. Yeah, it takes the URL, the actual source. You need to make a wrapper for your implementation that adheres to the interface. See, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. So there's your answer. Let's open our actual thing. Our actual project that we're gonna be working on, which is the concert overlay. There's an iWebSocket interface. Oh, so you included the iWebSocket interface? Okay. Let me show you guys this thing. So if you've never seen my concert overlay, it connects to Twitch. I don't think it'll connect to anything right now because I haven't put in all of the forbidden information, which I guess I'll have to do if I want to test anything. I want to do that on stream right now. I will attempt. I will attempt. I'm gonna hide Unity because this has forbidden information in that it has literally numbers and stuff that you can use to view data on my Twitch account. So not that it's anything important. It's literally just follows and chat and stuff, but it's just not stuff you should ever make public. So let me just quickly make it public. Why is it not opening? What is wrong with my Unity? Oh my god, actually, I think uh-oh. I think I might have corrupted my Unity project. I think I might have corrupted my Unity project. I think I might have corrupted my Unity project. What can I do about this? Hey Google. Unity project corrupted? Question mark? Make sure Unity is closed. Okay, closing Unity. Go into the library. Git reset. See, the problem is I don't use a GitHub. I don't use a Git repo for this project. I should. I should! Make sure Unity is closed. Go in the library folder of your project structure and delete all the subdirectories. Okay, so it's right here. The library, delete all the subdirectories. Yeah, that actually makes a lot of sense. For context, what happens is every time I release this, if there's any backup folders in the project root, delete those too. Backup folders in the project root. I don't know what that means. I don't think there is. I think it's fine. Whenever I make a build of the concert overlay, I have to transfer it to my Mac in order to make the Mac build. But my Mac Unity asset, there's my Mac Unity editor is on a different version, so it converted all the files, and then my file syncing between the two computers started syncing it back, and I stopped it halfway through, so that's exactly what happened. But Unity's opening, and it seems like it's doing okay. It's running all the stuff again, and I think it should be okay when it opens. Sorry for looking at a black screen. That's just vibe. This does sound like Undertale music. Is this the song that earlier someone said sounds like Undertale music? Because it really does sound like Undertale music. Sorry, we're waiting for Unity to open. This is a great time to tell you that thank you for watching my stream, because I need a certain number of watch hours left for monetization that is quite small, and I'm trying to hit it this week, but it's going to be a stretch. So Everyone who's watching this stream right now is contributing to that goal, and I appreciate you very greatly. Unity doesn't have remote compiling. That was so useful when I had to make cross-platform app with Xamarin. I don't know what that engine is. It does, but you have to pay for it, I think. I think that's how Unity's works. I think that's how Unity's works. I think it's a feature you have to pay for. Okay, we're back. We're back, baby, and it all works. Okay. Get that bread. If by bread you mean no sleep and no pay, I got that bread. Okay, as I was saying, I was going to put the forbidden information in here, which is in the streaming assets folder, Unity. Let me go back to the README to get the information. User settings, README, this guy right here. Paste. I'm not a robot, thank you. Copy. I'm so sorry that I made this app so poorly for all the people that use it. I know a lot of people use this concert overlay app, and I made it so badly. I made it so badly because I didn't want to deal with Unity UI. Some of this I don't regret in that, like, some of this sensitive information should never come up on stream, so that's good. But am I making a game? No, I am making a Twitch overlay. So I'll show you. I'll click play and we'll take a look at it. If you would be so kind as to go to my Twitch stream and type in the chat, you will understand what is happening. Oh, it's broken. Oh no, I don't have the main scene up. 1 second. There we go. Okay, let's run it now. Oh, so now if you go up to my Twitch stream and you type some emotes in chat or something like that, do some fun, which by the way is in the link of in the description of my video right now. So if I just type, well, if I type like test sub, for instance, test sub, this is what happens when someone subscribes to you. Ah, thank you, Tom, for typing in chat. When someone follows you, test follow, it looks like this. It's very cute. It can also have confetti, but not by default. And then, when someone gives you bits, test bits, let's say 1,000, it will do little bits animation. Very cute. It's a little high, isn't it? I should lower that. That's something I could do right now. That's an improvement I can make. Because basically right now we're going to try to improve this app. So the... Which one is it? Where's the actual... Test bit's negative. It doesn't take negative. I thought of that. I'm smart. Oh, it doesn't need this environment thing. I can delete that. So basically this whole app is an extension of the app that I made for myself that handles all the little animations you see on screen. So there was a lot of stuff in it that was just like guff that like could completely get deleted. I'm glad I deleted that. Now who and where and what determines where those bits things happen? Because it bothers me that it's not at the bottom of the screen. Is that in scripts? Commands, bits burst. Okay, we're gonna look at the code. Make sure that there's no sensitive code open. Okay, cool. Okay, so when there's a new command that's been triggered, so it knows it wants to do a bits burst. It checks that the bits aren't 0. Oh, it actually doesn't check that it's negative, but you can't do negative, so I don't care. Chat time to QA. True, it is time to QA. I mean, it's not running right now though, so. And then it generates a burst after a certain random number of wait time. Where does it set where it is going to be? I guess it doesn't. Wait, what? Wait, what? I just missing something? Oh, here. Wait. No. Wait. It does. Huh? Also, where is this located? Like, what? Where is this component? Oh, it's right there. I finally found it. Okay, wait. Let's go back to Unity. Where do you decide to be placed? Oh, I can see. Oh, I was like, why do I see chat messages that aren't in chat? And then I realized it's from Twitch. And then I realized it's from Twitch. Let me make Twitch chat pop out. Pop out chat. There we go. Close that. There we go. Yeah, my head pat emote triggers a head pat, by the way. I'm so smart. Oh my god, only I would come up with something like that. Oh my god, I'm so quirky. Huh. Hum diddly dum dum. Oop, that's the wrong thing. Why is it, it's just in the center, apparently. Supposedly. And here we have a circle. Do you know where it goes? That's right, the square hole. That's one of my favorite videos. That is one of my favorite videos. I go back and watch that so frequently. Oh my god, I love that thing so much. Okay, one bits burst is just both of them. It's just too high. I think it needs to be like -1 maybe. Oh no, or -5 maybe. -5. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Now we're talking. Let's delete that. Okay, let's run that again. Test bits 1000. It's not running. Why is nothing happening? Why is nothing happening? Did I do something wrong? Did I screw something up? Test bits 1000. It's still too high. Okay, maybe this is something we need to do in the particle. Wait, it didn't update, that's why. I'll just update it directly. We're gonna make it even lower. Okay, now it should update. Test bits 1000. Oops, it didn't. I wasn't typing. Test bits 1000. Oh, it's broken again. It's broken again. What have I done? Why do I keep doing this to myself? What happened? Why did it break? What's going on? Okay, I don't know why it's broken. But it looks better now. I think this looks better because it's not like just randomly floating above. And if you chat, I'm spamming my own chat, you'll see that those little people popped up. That's very cute. That's one of my favorite features. If you use an emote, then some random, if you're in my Twitch chat and you have any emotes on Twitch, which everyone does, just start spamming them in my Twitch chat. I'm spamming my own emotes. Haha, you can't run test bits. It only works if you're the owner of the channel. I thought about that. Okay, these look fine. I feel like test sub, the person is a little bit too small. Why? Oh, I spelled sub wrong. Test sub. Oh no, it's okay. But the test follower then is wrong? One of them looked really wrong. Oh no, that's fine too. I don't know why I thought that then. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna think about it. So one feature we're going to work on, which people have wanted for a very, 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 very long time, is one. There's only ever really been two majorly requested features. One of them was follower animations, which I did last night, and the second one is they want to be able to change the color of their light sticks at runtime, which is doable. It's just annoying to set up. So that's what we're going to do today. That is what we're going to do today. Okay. So the way this has to work is we have to first set up a system in which the light stick is actually two images that are overlaid on top of each other. So first things first, let's go in and duplicate the light stick asset. I'm just gonna open this up and we're gonna make two new images. One's gonna be called the light stick handle, and the other one is gonna be called the light stick color. Okay. And I'm going to just really quickly edit these in Photoshop so that they represent the correct thing and we can actually tell when we're doing something wrong or right. And I'm gonna split the light stick, and by which I mean the pen lights. You know what pen lights look like? They look a lot like those when you're at like an airport and they're like showing the airplane where to go. They look like that. So that's pretty much exactly what it is. And I'm going to be splitting it into the part that actually lights up and the handle where you hold it, because the part that lights up is going to change color, and I accidentally split it the complete opposite way. Okay. Okay, there's the color, I think. Let me just make it a little bit cleaner so I don't have to do this in the future. There we go. Save. And then I'm going to open up the handle. Okay, and I've deleted the color. So now if we go back to Unity, you'll see that I have these two new files here. We are now going to go into... what is it? There's like a person. In scripts, commands, what's the gay? This. I'm gonna go into this prefab and we're gonna change what the light stick is. It's gonna actually be two pieces. It's currently just one sprite, so we're gonna separate it into two sprites. One of them is gonna be... oh. Actually, can I just do it? No, I can't. I can't. Shoot. Okay. I don't know why I thought I could do that. Okay, streaming. Nope. Opposite. Scripts, commands, what the gay, whatever. Duplicate light stick handle. Duplicate light stick color. Actually, I'm gonna delete these and just import the ones that I was just working with as their own so I can know what they look like. Okay. Whoa, that's not what I want. That is not what I need. And I just gotta say, that's not right. Okay, so you see here, I've got it separated into two pieces. You can't really actually because the chat's covering it, but it's fine. Okay. Whoa, it's too big. What is it? My salad is too big. It's not even close to being correct. My spoon. Handle. We're gonna duplicate the handle. It's gonna be called the color. There we go. And we're actually going to just disable that. Okay, so there you go. Now this is actually 2 different images, but it still should look exactly the same. And we're just gonna do the same for this one, but you know, in the right spot. Why is it slightly... Okay, there we go. So, save. Let me just double check that that is in fact what we're looking at. It is fantastic. The color... I'm trying to remember which of these is actually over the other. Okay, the color is over the other one. That's what we want. We want the color on top, I guess? Yeah, that makes sense. Let's have the... Yeah, we have the color on top because then it can bleed into the handle and looks good. Okay. Now we need to go into the user settings script, which is actually already open. Bam. There we go. Which is a whole lot of stuff. And all this does is it takes all the settings that the user wrote into the JSON and it actually applies them. So let me off stream, because that's the file that has all the sensitive information on it. Why is this file here? Does this do anything? If I delete this, will anything happen? Nothing happened. Okay, cool. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Okay, I was gonna open the streaming assets, user settings. Okay, I need to add some JSON that will deal with this whole thing that I just said. The light stick color and handle. Light stick color and light stick handle. Okay. And then we need to make a whole new section that's going to be for presetting some light stick colors, which is going to be interesting. 1, 2, 3. Light stick colors. Okay. Okay. Some colors in. I have a question for you, audience, chat. I don't know why I called you audience. I have a question for you, chat. What should people have to type in that changes the color? Because I don't know. I don't know what it should be. I guess maybe light stick. I guess just light stick and then the color. That makes the most sense. We'll just have it be really easy for them. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Anyways, that's for the next thing. Actually, should we do that first? Let's do that first. It's a little bit more fun. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Huh. 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 I'm acting. Okay. Sorry. Settings file. I have a file that deals with some of this exact stuff, actually. So let me find it. You see, it's not user settings. That's what we have open. Twinkle color. Oh, that'd be cute. Maybe shine. Yeah, it should be something short. Maybe like shine. That would be cute, actually. It should either be, yeah, it should be shine. Because I was gonna say color, but people spell that differently depending on where you live. So it should be shine. Stan. Also, I just realized something. Oh, thank Christ. Oh, sorry. Okay, I thought maybe I had accidentally showed something on screen, but I didn't. Okay, where is this thing that I'm trying to find? It takes in the tints. And where does it save them? It's an audience setting. In saved settings. Okay, we're gonna open saved settings. And this is going to be a dictionary. Oh, I love dictionaries. I love maps and dictionaries. I'm a notorious map dictionary user. Or color. Yeah, it takes in the color. There we go. Perfect. Bam. Oh no, we need to name it. Light stick colors. Kira Kira. Sticky. Maybe just light? Maybe just light? Yeah, maybe just light. But light is hard to spell. Cause I'm thinking about a streamer who's like in the middle of their karaoke, they gotta type in chat now, you know? Annoying. Okay. Saber. Okay. We're gonna create a new category that is called light stick colors, which actually goes right after images. We got audience, we got images, we'll put it right here. I'm just gonna copy one that already exists because I'm lazy. Load light stick colors. Save. Modern programmers are just dictionaries and glue. Will I be making the command customizable? Some streamers may prefer... Oh! There's an idea. I can do that. That's actually extremely doable. Yeah, sure, why not? Why not? Why not? Why not do a crazy dance? Why not? Why not? Something, something, something. If you feel the moment, you might lose a lot. So why not? Why not? But what do I actually... What is the default, though? Wait. Having the color change on redeem? Oh, now you guys are making it hard for people to set up. I mean, we can do that. Okay, okay. Okay, we can do that. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I have an idea. I have a thought. I have a concept. The problem is if someone wants to add a new one, they're not going to understand how to do it. I mean, we could have it do through channel points. Do you guys think people would like that? Changing... I mean, I'm sure they would like that. But the problem is the setup is so confusing. I don't think anyone would actually be able to set it up. So I'm reluctant to do that. Having the color have strobe patterns. Oh my god. Now this is hard. Now we're saying hard things for people. Because here's the thing. I can program that. That's not the problem. The problem is that people are setting these settings literally through a JSON. And they have no idea what JSON even is. That's the problem. It's not like it's absolutely doable. It's just yeah. I guess what we can do, rainbow, and then it can be a list. And then if you have something be a list, it will just go through all the colors. Jason Kason's brother. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need some hex values. Let me generate some hex values right now, real quick. Hot quick. Hello? Google? How do I get to your hex thing? Google has its own like hex color picker thing. Do I have to type in color picker? Ah, that is it. Color picker. I could see. Yeah, at most could. Selecting a pattern type. Yeah. Well, I can. Basically, what my plan is I'll allow people to set like a series of colors, and it will just you know, it'll just gradients between them slowly, essentially. Okay. Unfortunately, that does make this slightly more difficult as far as the settings part. I'll have to make a struct for this. I got putting on my doctor glove. Snap. I need to make a struct. Okay. It's just a list, though. I guess I could just make a dictionary that returns a list. Well, let's just do that. That's so convoluted. A list of colors. There you go. Oh my god. This costs 10. Okay. I was gonna generate some colors. So I want orange, because that's an absolute classic. I want a bright orange. That's the hex right there. I want a red. I'm gonna dull that down just a little bit. And we're also gonna put it in the rainbow. I'll just make the rainbow 2 colors for now. Okay. Okay, cool. I need to... Light stick command is what I'll call it. And by default it will be... What should it be? Let's be aware of scope creep. Nah, scope creep. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? No, scope creep. You're saying this like I don't need to stream for 5 hours today to try to get farm watch hours. No. Light stick command. By default, I'll make it. The problem is that the color is different. I'll just make it light. Okay. Okay. Or a default set of colors if you want the crowd to have, like, say, a set of 2 colors. Perhaps the crowd redeems could change what the colors... No, that's scope creep. Not doing that. Now that's scope creep. If I ever heard of it. Okay. Let's go down to here. It's not audience. It's colors. It's not enabled. It's just a list. I know the way I code is disgusting. Don't worry about it. In fact, actually, I don't even want that. What about different colors for the subscription status tiers? That's annoying. I'm not doing that. I could do that. It's actually extremely doable. I just don't feel like it. Okay, so for it's actually just in here. For the color in the light stick color as array. For var C, C is actually a key value pair. So we want both the key and the value. The string, which is color name. I actually don't know how to do this. Yes, key. Oh, it is actually literally just that. Thank you. Thank you, Unity. Color value equals C dot value. Oh, bless up, bless up. Okay. I guess we just call it hex. I guess that's what I called it before. Okay, there we go. So hex, cool. If color utility try parse HTML string. Yep. How the program set up a peer-to-peer network that uses deep learning across all users to guess audience members' preferred light stick color. Oh, how about the person's preferred name sets the color of the light stick? Actually, that's so doable. That's actually extremely doable. 1 second. That's actually so doable. I think that's something I can get pretty easily. Wait, let me look it up. Because I get the info, the chat info from... Well, actually, for redeems, I don't think it'll work. Does Twitch still have the per username color option? I actually don't know if it even does, though. That's the thing. I actually don't even know if it does, but we'll look. Twitch API user color. User's chat color. There is no web API. Oh. No, you can't do it. Wait, this is a really old thread. Maybe it's old. Never mind. JK, it's not something you can do. Okay, that's fine. That's for the best, honestly. That's for the best, honestly. That's really for the best. Okay. Here, we're gonna make a list. It's gonna be a list of colors. Colors equals new list. And if this color list has something in it, then we actually push the colors. It's not add, it's it is add. Okay, it's I need the color name. There we go. There we go. Read the pixel of the stream. Okay, apparently there is technically a way to do it, but it's not via the Twitch API, which is what I'm using, and I'm absolutely not implementing a whole new thing right now. We're just not doing that. I'm sorry. We're not doing that. Okay, colors. Nope. Colors dot add RGB. There we go. Oh, good. Go to bed. Honestly, you need to go to bed early. Your sleep schedule is insane. Just go to bed. Okay. Cool. So now this will give us... actually, I just changed it, though. Light stick settings. I guess they're called color settings. Okay. Boop 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 boop. That's me manually typing in spaces because I'm editing this in a freaking notepad. Calculate a username in some sort of fashion to create an automated hex file. I mean, you can do that. I could just like take the name itself and run it through. I mean, because a hex is just a string of letters, so honestly, converting a random string into a hex value seems extremely doable and easy, but not desirable. Not desirable at all. You know what I could do? You know what's really doable? I could make subs have different colors than non-subs. Wait, is that something I can get from redeem? I actually don't know. Let's find out. When someone redeems something, do I know if they're a subscribed user or not? The only issue is Unicode characters? No, it's not an issue. It's not an issue at all. Because I'm just taking the bytes and just doing some weird math operations on them to get the same value every time. Okay, where is my Twitch pretty? Okay, I know I do on chat messages, but do I on redeems? No, well, yes and no. Let's see if it's even information I get. Reward redeemed. Redemption. It's all this stuff. You guys see this? Yeah, you can see this. Dot user dot. Oh, dot user dot. No, I don't. I only get their name. Okay. I mean, I could get that information, but we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Okay. So the answer is no. I can't do that. That's a bummer. You know what we can do? We can make the color unique per redeem. And it's rude for the home team if they're not here. That's a shame. Cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Oh, it's doing that. Okay, we don't need this open anymore. Okay. First things first. My brain is getting so muffled. It's getting so muffled by all my thoughts running through my head. Okay, we're not gonna do per redeem colors yet. Maybe we'll do that in a hot second. Why is there an else here? And why does it say moves? All the things chat said, all the things. Okay. I think the audience thing is wrong. Wait, what? Wait, what? Huh? Wait. Oh, shoot. This actually is moves. There we go. Okay, I got very confused there. There we go. Okay, that sets all the keys. Now we want the command. Which we're gonna go back to saved settings. Static, public, string, light stick, command, done. And that's very simple. It's we just get it's not JSON. It's not JSON. This is wrong. Oh, no, wait. No, this is wrong. Wait. Oh, shoot. Oh, butts. Oh, butts. Var. I'm gonna say like ls settings equals JSON, and then you get this thing. Period. And then all of these need to be changed to this. Bam. Okay, fix that, and then change this to light stick command. And it's quite simple. Saved settings. Put 3 T's there. Saved settings dot light stick. God. Lights. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Did I spell it wrong? I sure did. Light stick command equals just that. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. Pretty butt simple. Yeah, I fixed the T's. Okay, we're just gonna stick to this set of options for now. Why is there a tab there? Command used to change the light stick color. Command use. Nope. Brain. Colors to change light sticks and their hexes. No, and their names. Names is the word I'm looking for. Names. Okay. Okay, cool. So now the user can actually input them, which is so weird. And now we need to actually do something with them. So I have this very nifty interface. The reason that I'm able to make changes to my... This song sucks. Okay, it's over. Okay, the reason I'm able to make changes to all this stuff so quickly is because I have a really fantastic interface for actually writing this stuff. So basically, I'm just gonna make a new folder. It's gonna be called colors. I'm gonna create a new component, light stick color. We're gonna open it up. What am I making? I am making a I'm adding new features to that concert overlay thing that I tweeted about last night. And you know, I made in, I guess, July of last year. It's been so long. But I'm adding more features to it. Now I'm adding the feature to basically change the light stick color on command. And this is a special command, is what it's called. And it needs a few things, which I can never remember what they are, so I just copy and paste it from there. I think it's just the trigger command. Yeah, that's it. This song, what's it called? Where's the music coming from? The music was in your mind all along. The song is called Chippy. Chippy. Woo. Chippy. Okay, sorry. I got distracted. Okay. So, how this is gonna work is basically this trigger command happens when whatever conditions you set happen. And oh, that's actually gonna be tricky. Oh. Huh. Oh, I guess okay, no, we're good. We're good. We're good. Well, I guess that... Can that be set at runtime? Can that be set at runtime? I have no idea. Okay, well, I guess we'll find out. Because I'm having a brain blast right now in a bad way. Usually I mean brain blast in a good way, and this time I mean a bad way. I guess we'll just manually call it. That's what we'll do. We'll just ignore the trigger thing and we'll just manually call it. That's what we'll do. Okay, so so before I actually write the thing that does it, I'm going to write the thing that calls it because I'm lazy. If the type of user does not equal system, then trigger the commands that happen all of the time, which is those little people jumping up. If the user type equals the owner down here, then we'll check to see if it's a wait, why is it doing that? On chat message dot count? I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, whatever. If message.text, which is the text of the message. I'm checking on the Twitch docs, and apparently you can get username color from the IRC chat. Yeah, I saw that, but that's not what I'm using. That's not part of the that's not like the API. That's like a totally different thing. I saw that exact same post. Starts with saved settings dot lightstick command. So if it starts with the command to change the lightstick, oops, then obviously we're trying to get a lightstick color. So what we're going to do, and actually maybe this isn't, we're not, you know what? I'm actually going to change this. This is not a special command because clearly that's not working for me. Instead, we're going to send it the color. It's not an override. Oh shoot. I haven't even thought about how we're gonna actually apply the color. Uh-oh. Okay. Whoops. I guess we'll do that in saved settings. Static, public, color, light stick, color. Oops. Wow, I spelled that so wrong. Color. There we go. Have I ever thought of programming a custom thing that works with Twitch chat? That's what I'm doing. Literally what I'm doing right now. Is that a joke? I'm not sure if that's a joke or if you just maybe missed the rest of the stream. That's probably more likely. So the thing that I'm writing right now is it's an overlay that interacts with Twitch chat that basically if someone types an emoji, an emote, it's not an emoji. What year am I in? It's an emote. It'll come up and do like a little otage dance, like a little, you know, with the pen lights and everything, like you're at a concert. It also do like a little bounce. It also reacts to Twitch subs and reacts to Twitch follows and reacts to bits. Dropped like 2 minutes ago. Yeah, fair enough. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Okay, if message text starts with the saved settings command, then I want to chop that off. Then string color equals message.text dot remove. That was only reacting to subs and emails. Yeah, it also reacts to chat. A bit. Remove the... Oh, it also reacts to redeems. That too. Forgot about that. Plus a space. Why is it complaining? Oh, because it needs an index. Okay. 0 to the length of this plus 1. No worries. I am also exhausted. And I still have more work to do tonight, so that's cool. Like, work for my job. Oh, I'm almost done with this project, though, hypothetically. Hypothetically. Okay, so now we have the color. And now we want to send that to the thing, which I guess we'll just sort of manually have a thing for. Public light stick color, set light stick color. Wow, that's spelled so wrong. Okay, let's go back down here. So is it trigger? Wait, what did I call it? Oh, it is trigger command. Why is it complaining then? Color. And the message wait time. There we go. Guess we'll actually just put 0. I wish there was a way to just tie. Maybe there is. Oh, my brain's blasting. My brain's blasting. I'm trying to figure out how to do this less manually, because currently the way I'm about to set it up is it just manually sets the tint of the light stick colors, but there's probably an easier way to do this. But it would be less performant. It'd be more performant if I do it this way. Okay, fine, we'll do it this way. Okay. So when it finds out that it's trying to get a message that is trying to change the light stick color, it takes that, sends it over to this component, which I'm actually gonna change the, it should be called set color. Or maybe try set color. Try set color. That's more accurate. Try set color. No wait time. Okay. And then it takes that set color and looks for it in the saved settings dot colors dot try get value. That's exactly what I want. String key out value. Okay, gotcha. I'll just do that. Out. See? I think it's what you do. You say out, right? No, apparently not. What is it? No, you gotta type something. It does. It is out. You frickin' liar. You frickin' fricks. Oh, it's a list. Forgot about that. Color. I'm gonna call this color list. Color list. Ah. Color list. There we go. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm just gonna set some stuff up that will allow me to gradient between the colors continuously. Colors, I'll just call it colors. Yield. Return null. Actually, no, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to have it be a separate one. Current colors. If current colors dot count is greater than 0, then it's gonna continue doing its whatever. And if it doesn't, then it's just gonna yield return null. How do you just wait 1 frame? Unity, enumerator, wait 1 frame. Wait 1 frame. Oh, yield return 0? How's that different than null? Whatever. Okay. That's a calculation we'll do in a second. To do calculate color in gradient. I thought yield return null was for 1 frame. Yield return null is to stop. Yield return null is to stop executing the enumerator. At least I think. I will double check that. Stopping an enumerator function. Oh, it's not. It's just, you just stop. Like, you just have nothing. I guess. I guess. JK. I love coroutines. I actually quite enjoyed them. Hello! If color list dot count is greater than 0, then we're going to start up the coroutine. Actually, oh shoot. And current colors dot count is greater than 0. Is not, or not greater than 0, greater than 1 is what I meant. Oh, greater than 1 is what I meant for all these. I'm so stupid. Okay. Less than or equal to 1, which is the opposite. Then we're going to start this coroutine called gradient colors, which actually we don't want to give it anything. Damn. We'll probably have like a thing up here that sets the gradient time. Cool. Otherwise, it will just set... regardless, it needs to set the current colors equal... Ah, my eye. Color list. And it's actually going to do that regardless, but, yeah. Else. Do that thing I just did. There we go. Okay. Oh. I guess that's okay. Actually, this is fine. No. No, it's not. No, it's not. Is this similar to the kind of programming I do at my job? Kind of. My job is in C++, and we use a different engine. And it's just a really, really different system. But like this kind of thinking is still the same. I mean, I'm a, you know, this is kind of gameplay system-esque. So I mean, the coding, the algorithms are similar, very similar. But as far as all the TDM is totally different. And honestly, thank God, the TDM of my job coding is awful. Just awful. Hate it. Hate it. Hate it. Okay. What was I doing? Oh, I was starting the coroutine, which we actually do need to start. We need to set this before we start the coroutine. And then we set the current colors to the color list. And then we, if it is just that, then we have to manually save the settings. Although I guess... No, never mind. Save settings dot audience color equals. Actually, this is if color list count equals 1. Then we need to manually save it. Equals color list 0. That's the first element of the color list. The first color in the color list. Why are you complaining? Bool? Bool? Oh, it's not audience color. It's light stick color. Okay, there we go. There we go. What are we doing here? We're making a we're making a Twitch overlay that looks like a concert. I'll actually just show you. For all the people who have come in recently, let me show you what we're doing here. Actually, I don't know if it'll run. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Why don't I have a console? Null reference. Light colors is null. Light colors. If L settings has light stick colors. Why is light colors, okay, I think that's why. Let's try it again. Nope. Oh, it's something else. Oh! Uh-oh. Okay, at the beginning of this, we need to set... Actually, exactly like this. We need to do this. Light stick colors. It needs to be a new dictionary. It's a dictionary, right? C++ is cool, very different from what I work with. What do you work with? I need this. I need a dictionary that's a string and a list, which is so wacky. New. There we go. Okay, now it won't complain at me that I have a null reference exception. Except there's something broken because I don't see an audience for some reason. Where's my audience? What's going on? What happened? I broke something horribly. I've made a huge mistake. What the hell? I've really royally screwed something up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We're gonna step through this and see what's going on. I think there's something to do with the audience. If audience has key enabled and audience is not enabled, which it has both, so it should be enabled. And it has some tints which it takes in. Has images which it takes in. Wait, what just happened? Oh yeah, we're good, we're good, we're good. Oh, we're not processing the other images yet. We should do that. Python and JavaScript working full stack mostly on internal tools. Oh, that's fun. Our tools also use Python. It's getting these colors. It's not crashing so far. Did fail on that one, which is kind of interesting. Where's it getting that? Oh, from the rainbow. Oh, wait, I've screwed up. I've screwed up. I forgot about this. I mean, not that it would cause it to fail like it is right now, but it's certainly not great. If, how do I say this? If hex dot, not hex, if C is a if it is an array, yes, here we go, is array. If is array, that means we have a ton of options. Otherwise, just do it once. Yes, I'm about to copy paste code. My brain does not feel like figuring out how to do this effectively. For each, how did I do it before? How did I do it in the audience colors one? For each, oh, you just take it as an array. Okay. For each var? That's what I did before? Yeah, var. Not C, can't use C. Color? Have I used color? I don't think I've used color. Yeah, there's no color. Okay, for each color in C.value as array, like so. Then do it. Oh wait, where do I? Oh, this should go actually before this. Up here? Delete. Delete. I'm sorry, this is gross. My brain can't handle it right now. It really can't. I'm going through it. I'm going through it. Okay. Also, I don't know enough about JSON to know the specifics of how this works. Okay. I don't know why. I guess we'll just try again. I don't know why it's failing. I don't know what's going on. Why isn't the audience showing up? Where are they? Why are they invisible? Does it have to do with the icon? Oh. Oh! Yeah. I know why. I'm a dum-dum. I deleted the icon. I remember this now. So let's oopsie poopsie. I did a murder. Okay. We're gonna put it in here. We're gonna make a copy of it. Every single one of these used this. I guess I can just open the person prefab. Also, I can fix this really quick. JSON form is really strict with its formatting. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Apply. Okay. Let's open this prefab up. Open prefab. And fix the icon, which is missing. Okay. Whoa, wait, is that huge? Oh god. Or is it correct size? I have no idea. I guess we'll find out. There we go. Our audience is back. Why are they so low? Let's open that prefab up again. I have no reference point. This is very frustrating. Oh, now it's too high. What the heck? What's going on? So confused. Oh no. Oh no. Let's just set this back to 0, I guess. I don't know what's going on. Why are their heads getting cut off? They're so low down. Oh, I know. I have to set the anchor of the sprite. I want it to be in the bottom center. Apply. Close. Okay, I fixed it. The people, they're too low. See, now they're too high. Huh. Why did I do this to myself? Why did I do this to myself? Not border. I want to change the pivot. Okay, whatever. I probably set it to 1.5 if I had to guess my brain, my own brain, which does stupid stuff like this all the time. Let's try that one. Close. 2. I think it's 2.2. I'm changing the pivot point. Oh my god, you guys can't see any of this. I'm so sorry. You guys couldn't see a darn lick of that. I'm so sorry about that. That whole time you couldn't see gosh darn nothing. Okay, the audience here was too low down because I screwed something up. Wow, that's embarrassing. I keep doing stuff like that. Normally I have a thing that automatically switches between the scenes, but it's burned me too many times, so I don't want to use it anymore. Okay, anyways, here's the audience. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, everyone. Oh. What's happening? Are people following me? Why is that showing up? Are people following me on Twitch right now? I don't think so. Are y'all following me on Twitch? What's going on? So there you go. When you do emotes on Twitch now, they come up as little gay. Have you reached the gate of hell yet? See, that means someone's following me. That little thing means someone's following me. I refuse to believe the 3 people have followed me in the last 10 seconds. You just did? Wow. Let me change the setting. Wait, don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. I actually want to test something. If you have followed me, please unfollow me on Twitch. Because I need this test. Okay. Now follow me. Unfollow me, refollow me. On Twitch. Specifically. Not YouTube. Don't unsubscribe. Unfollow me on Twitch. And refollow me on Twitch. Oh, there you go. See, look, it's your name. See, your name comes up. Ah, there we go. Isn't that cute? I'm so good at my job. Not that I get paid for this. Did you see your name? You see your name come up? Now if you unfollow me, refollow me, you'll see your name come up. It's very cute. I don't have it set up to work with redeems right now, so even though there are redeems, they don't do anything. Oh, I love this debug that I should take out here. I was having some problems, I guess. It's gonna complain. Whenever it compiles, it starts complaining. If you're very tired, go to sleep. Go to sleep, little lamb. Oh, you just followed over there a few minutes ago without watching here? That explains that random follow that I got. That's funny. But yeah, so that's the thing. Don't waste your points on these redeems that don't do anything. In fact, I'm gonna turn them off. Turn them off. I can't find how to turn them off. Oh wait, it's over here. Bam, 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 they're all gone. Oh no. Okay. Cool. Okay, so you get the idea. They're gone. If you don't play by the rules, then no one gets any toys. Okay. So yeah, so this is the overlay I'm making. Right now, in this second, I'm trying to make it so that people can change the color of the light sticks on a whim. But to be honest, How else can we throw money at me? You can give me bits and subscribe to me on Twitch, but actually, honestly, the best way you could possibly help me right now is by giving me watch hours, because I'm really close to getting monetization on YouTube, which is quite difficult, and I just need a few more watch hours to get monetization on YouTube. So if you have YouTube Premium, I believe that just downloading the video counts as watch time. And if you're not, then I guess you can just... Oh, thank you for the bits. But yeah, you can just put a video on in the background, I guess. I'm really close. I'm really close. But honestly, the problem is that like one person's efforts like really don't make much of a dent. You know what I mean? It's more like these live streams where lots of people are watching at the same time and you watch for a long time. That's much better than just trying to have it on in the background, I guess. Already on it as I'm streaming this. Thank you very much. By the way, I'm very close. I'll tell you, it actually was closer and it went down, which is sad. It goes down because it only counts the last year. So if I did a stream at the beginning, you know, exactly 1 year ago, then, you know, you can get enough. Okay. I have 175 watch hours to go of 4,000. And for context, from this stream, if I had to guess, I'll probably get, I don't know, like 50 watch hours probably. But unfortunately, this is going to be the longest stream I'm going to be able to do this week. So if many people have it on in the background, it makes a ton of difference though, even more than during the stream. That's true, I suppose, but it's so much more effort. It's a lot easier to just actually watch a stream while it's happening. I feel like. I don't know why I feel like that. Maybe that's just me. But anyways, that doesn't matter. Back to this. So we were trying to get this working. Also, sorry, I got distracted by a Discord ping that was like nothing. Okay, so we're trying to get this working, which is we're trying to change the light stick color on the fly, which is a toughie. It's a little bit of a toughie. So right now we're getting the color, but we're not actually setting it to be the light stick color. You just have it on another window and you mute its audio. Not difficult. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. I don't know how strict YouTube is about these things. I don't know how YouTube calculates this stuff. Okay, it's not the audience. It's the the game moves. Okay, what is the thing that actually spawns a move? Which thing actually spawns the move? This one. It's moves. Duh. Being metrics driven poisons your brain and caused your ruinous doubt. Best of luck to you. The funny thing is I'm really not metrics driven. I'm really not. I actually, generally speaking, don't care about this stuff. This is the only more like milestone left. I'm generally not it's you know, I don't know. It's just kind of something to, I don't know. It's just like a I don't even know what the word is. It's not a hobby. It's like a short-term goal. That's the word. Short-term goal. Because why not? Like, why not shoot for like membership? I think it's cool to have membership because then you can do cool stuff with the API that I want to do. Honestly, this is my main motivation. Okay, so this is where we're going to set the color of the light stick because this is where it's all going down. And we're gonna have 2 more of these. Light stick handle and light stick color. Well, I guess that's what this is. Reaching for an actual goal rather than a number. Yeah, I mean, yeah, more or less. I mean, it is a number. But generally speaking, I don't care about any of those numbers. I cared about 1,000 because YouTube unlocks a bunch of features at 1,000, and then membership is the only other goal that I care about. Yeah, emojis. People will have emotes. We'll have Twitch emotes or YouTube emotes. I don't know why I call them Twitch. Set light stick color. This one will be set light stick handle. That's not the right spelling. Handle. But I do totally get people who are like very like it being numbers driven. It is really unhealthy. It's super unhealthy. And it even gets to me sometimes, you know, like when I see it, when the numbers on a tweet go up, I'm like, I'm so clever. People are seeing how clever I am. Oh boy, that was what's wrong with me? Oh, the cloud chaser jumped out. Okay, so we need to get the color. And we need to set its color. So how do I do this? Open up the what the game move? Oh, I just realized you couldn't see it in my coding. Gosh darn it, I keep doing this. So frustrating. So frustrating. It's the second child. It's child index 1. There we go. Now you can actually see what I'm doing. Honestly, Unity's kind of more interesting than my code though. So if light stick. And we'll have to set these renderers to enabled because I've actually just disabled them. Enabled equals true. There we go. We enable them. If light stick color and oh, that's not an and light stick handle are valid, then we're gonna do the same thing but with those. Well, we have to enable them first because I think I'm gonna have them disabled by default. I think that's the plan. That's the plan. And saved settings thought this BGM track is fire. I know, right? The other day I had like an Elden Rings inspired soundtrack that was also good. Does not equal. Oops, does not equal null. Ah. I guess white. How the default to white? Color dot clear. Much better. No, it's not audience color. It's I keep doing this. Light stick color. Yes, we'll have the default be clear. This is the way. Equals clear. Perfect. Okay. Cool. So if there is a light stick color set and we have both the components needed to actually use it, then let's get the children. How do we do this? Light stick color dot transform dot get child. 0 is, I think, the handle. Oh, game object. I hate that I have to do that. Set active to true. Same with the right. Bam. And then we have to get the other child. Like so. And enable them as well. but a lot simpler. And then we have to set their, just like we did down here. We have to set their things. And also we have to make sure to disable the sprite renderers on the parent, actually. Let's remember to do that. False. False. And last things last. First things first, last things last. Actually. Let's actually get the sprite renderer. L sprite equals this whole thing, actually. Boop. Beep. So much copy and pasting. This is disgusting. Actually, I should have written a function to just do this on each one and then just call it on each one. That's too late now. Maybe it's not too late. Private update light stick. Doing a game object. OBJ. I always call them OBJs. Probably a bad habit. I don't know why this song slaps so hard. Oh, wrong. There we go. I want this. And then we can delete the second one. We do that. We delete the second one. Nope. Did that totally backwards. There we go. That's what we want. And then we can just do this once for each one. Just call this color instead of L color and right color. This one, I always say the beginning sounds just like a specific Luna song. This will do up in the top. Or... oh, here's what we'll do. Bam! Easy. There we go. Oh my god, that's so cool. Cool. Okay, sprite dot tint. That's what we want to change. Oh, sprite dot tint. Question mark? Is texture? Do I not know how to do anything? I don't think I know how to do anything. Oh no! Oh no! How do I change the audience color? I know I did this somewhere else. Oh no, I'm getting complaints. Identifier expected? Oh, well, yeah, duh. Okay, let me audience the audience. Let me ask the audience a question. Okay, here we go. Nope, that's not helpful. I need to open up my little audience. What is it called? The audience. What is it called? Scripts. Where do I do this? Do I do this? Oh, I do this in this. I do this in the thing I'm in right now. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay. First of all, let's remove all of this. And then we can just call update light stick on each of these. Same thing for the right one. Bam. Ah, there we go. Okay. And then up here somewhere, we set the tint of the person, don't we? Night. I should go to bed too, honestly. I will not go to bed. I have to go back to work. Oh. Oh, I don't tint the... Ooh, that's why. I don't tint the moves. Past programmer Lua wearing glasses. Must be getting intense. Who's wearing glasses? Sorry, my brain's not good enough to understand that comment. My brain's bad right now. I got bad brain. I got bad brain. I'm looking for a specific file is the problem right now. And I'm having a hell of a time finding it. Maybe I should just look in the actual scene. Context. You see me fumbling around up here. When do I tint these people? Oh, past me is wearing glasses. Oh, in a different VOD. Oh, yeah. Put glasses on. Maybe it'll give my brain juice. Maybe this will give me the brain juice I need to finish this feature tonight. We'll see about that. Probably what I'll do is I've probably there's some sort of error in the code that I, you know, released last night. So I'm waiting for someone to tell me that error. And then when I release the fix, it'll also have all these changes in it. That's the plan. Where is audience color get referenced? Audience colors. Find all references. Oh, it's in randomize. Oh, I mean, that makes sense. What is UI renderer? Image? Image? Uh-oh. 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 I actually don't know if I have the ability to do the thing I'm trying to do. I'm assuming. I thought I did. Maybe I don't. Sprite renderer. Because I'm using a sprite renderer. Unity, tint, sprite. Yeah. Adding tint to a sprite. Oh, it's just color. It's literally just color. Okay. Not audience color. Ugh, keep doing this. Light stick color. There we go. Oh no, wait. This is not how I want to do this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I've screwed up. I've screwed this up. I think I have to manually set the... Ah! Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Each of these stupid little things is gonna have a manual thing that automatically sets this color reframe. I didn't want to do that, but I have to. If I want to have gradients, if I want to have animated colors, then I have to do this. This stream is called Screaming. Stream is called Programming, Software Development and Screaming. So if you didn't expect that, you've come to the wrong stream. Anyways, so I don't have to do this last part. I was also, you don't set it to light stick, you set it to light stick color. Color. Oh, and I also have to set the... to do the same thing, but for the handle. Game object. handle equals this whole thing. And then we enable the color, the handle, I mean. And the handle sprite render. You can see this, right? Yeah, you can. Sprite renderer dot sprite is going to be equal to the light stick handle sprite that's saved in here. Cool. Cool. Good. Where does this stuff get set? Where does this even happen? Oh, it happens in user settings. Okay, so I have to add some new stuff. Okay, wherever I call all the audience member stuff, I think it's, oh, it's the images. Let's go to images. Got audience images. Here we go. So we need to do the same exact thing, but for some new light stick data, which is actually called light stick color and light stick handle. And instead of, oops. Oh. There we go. Okay. So now I have to find where this light stick part is called. Why did I... Wait, did I really just do that? Whatever. Okay, I'm not dealing with that. I'm not thinking about it. What my inconsistent styling. Sorry for anyone who understands. This one's gonna be called light stick color, and this one's gonna be called light stick handle. Perfect. And then it actually sets it later. Like at the end, I guess, maybe? Where is it? Wait, where does it actually set that stuff? Like, it sets the light stick here, but where does it actually give it? Oh, right here. Oh! That makes sense, actually. When it loads in the moves, that's when it sets the light stick colors. Set light stick color to light stick color. Vice versa. Handle. Handle. There. Okay. Now, I think it just works. I mean, that's sort of course, that's never how it works, but I think I've done everything that sets the sprite so that it sets it to the separate color and handle stuff. Now I need to write this little animator right here or whatever that sets the color. If saved settings. Oh wait, I actually do need that start. We need the sprite renderer. I'll just call it sprite. And we're gonna set it. Ooh. Equals get components sprite renderer. And then if saved settings dot audience color does not equal clear. Is it more? Huh. 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 You know what? Screw performance. I'll probably think of a more performant thing later, maybe, but saved. I'm just hoping that Unity accounts for this, accounts for the color actually not being different. Light stick color. There we go. Cool. So now we go back to the set light stick colors thing, and well, actually, I guess it should work now. The only problem is that if it's a gradient, it won't go through the colors, but Or it won't change, I guess. Should we test it? Are you guys ready? It's gonna break. It's gonna be broken. But hypothetically, it's almost done. It's just gonna test with a random emote. Okay, one of the colors is missing. But you know what? That's a good sign. It's a good sign because it means something changed. So... let's see here. Oh, I just realized something too. Something is wrong with my code. In the... what's the game move? This check is wrong. That check is totally wrong. Also, but why did it just have one missing? That's a problem. Whatever, we'll deal with that in a minute. Oh wait, I know why. I need to change the prefab that I was just messing around with. Plug in brain. Oh my god, my brain is so broken right now. It's this thing. We're gonna turn this sprite renderer back on. And in fact, we're going to disable these objects completely. Save. Okay. So now, if we do this, it should just work normal. Should be no difference. Oh, that's a problem. I've done something incorrect. Enabled. Is it the enabled part that's the problem? Oh, yes. Here it is. I'm a stupid dum-dum is what the problem is. There we go. What was there before? Oh, well. I guess we'll find out. Oops. I was about to paste that code into the... Twitch chat! It's a weird sneeze. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay, so that's good. So... oh, sorry about that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now... sorry, you keep being just a second late, Acer. I'm going to input my... oh, they're not there. Why are they not there? It's because it's because I did that thing? Because I moved them? Script? Commands? What the gay? Color handle. Case. Okay. Let me... thank you. Let me set this. Okay, now it will use the images I gave it. Instead of the default full image, if that makes sense. Cool. I mean, that looks right, right? Okay. So the question is, can I now type light orange? Nope. I got a null reference exception. Light stick color, try set color. Light stick color is... oh. Yeah. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? Sorry, I forgot to set something. It's this thing right here. And I never actually put that... did I ever actually put this on anything? I don't think I did. Let's just make it something that it sets itself. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's try it again. We know it got the command though, and it registered it. So that's cool. That's the step forward. Okay, looks good. Now I'm gonna try the light orange. Okay. No change. No change. Okay. We're gonna attach the debugger and we're gonna... Sorry, you guys couldn't see any of that. I keep forgetting to do that. It's okay, it doesn't matter anyways. We're about to go back in the code. So we're definitely getting as far as actually setting the color. But what's happening then is the question. Oh, wait, I don't think I gave the... Oh, that's why that one was clear. My brain blast. My brain blast. I understand why that one thing was clear now. Sorry, let me switch back to Unity. I'm so sorry. Scripts, commands, otage, this thing. This one has an update light color, but this one doesn't. There we go. So now, hypothetically, they both have a thing that will set their color. The question is, will it? The question is, does it know what color to set it? Okay. Light, orange. Oops, it wasn't typing. Light, orange. Okay, and now we have broken into the code. So now we're gonna go into this. If saved settings, try get color out of list. I found it. Good start. This one has one color in it. So it sets the current colors to that list, and if it's one, then it sets the color to that. So that is all going correct. The problem, I guess, is now happening here. So I guess this is where it's going wrong. We try doing another otage command. Oh, it's not running. Huh. Actually scratching my head. This is actually a head scratcher. Let me do that again. And then pause. This little guy right here. Why isn't your component running? Oh, because those are... Okay. The light sticks were never on to begin with. Night. It's not enabling the objects correctly. It's not doing any of this stuff correctly. So let's switch back to this. This is what's not happening. So let me just stop this and we're gonna replay. We're gonna set it to light. Or actually, let's just set anything. Okay. So light stick is null, so we're good on that. Light stick color. Why are these null? Uh-oh. So the problem is here. We're not calling these. Which is quite strange because I know Oh! Oh! I'm a doom-doom! Ho-ho! Ho-ho! I figured it out! I figured it out! I'm a smart one! I'm the smart one! I'm the one who wins! Just gonna get rid of all these. To the market, take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and cracker jacks. I don't care if I ever go back, and it's rude for the home team if they don't win. That's a shame. 'Cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. You guys ready? This is a moment of truth. Nope, didn't work. What went wrong? What went wrong? Let's try running that again. Oh, that's not right. Pause. Let's see. Oh, it's still doing it. It's still doing it. What's wrong? What's going on? Show you the code. Oops, that's not right. Something's still going wrong. Also, I'm sorry for this bright pink. I don't know why this setting is bright pink. Oh, my eyeballs are so bad. I cannot read anything. I wonder, I have these blue light blocking glasses. I wonder if glasses do anything. Or if they'll just make me go insane. I hate glasses. I never wear them. Mostly because I don't need them. Actually, these aren't bad because they don't have any magnification. This isn't doing anything. Uh-oh. That's not good. Why is that not doing anything? What is this? Whoa. What have I deleted? What have I done? Isn't it that? Oh, it doesn't do anything. It's just a waste of time. Waste of space. Just gonna delete that. What's happening? So these aren't... Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna attach to Unity. We're gonna set a breakpoint here because this is where it's all going wrong. Why are these null? Why are you null? Let us in your programming establishment. Why have you closed your doors to the public? Okay, attach to Unity. Play. Okay, it has it. Oh. Did I not name it right? Wait, did I actually not name? Oh, I didn't name it right. Oh my god, this whole time. This whole time it was me. I was the problem. The user. The user was the problem. Okay, it should actually work now. Are you guys ready? We want to shop. Why have you closed your doors to the public? Oh, you guys can't see it. I'm so sorry. It works. Okay, the only thing I haven't done is I haven't set the gradient to work. Oopsie poopsie. Okay. That's the one thing left. Shut up. I hate these comments that are auto-generated. Okay. Let's just close some of this stuff. This. So this is kind of tricky actually because... So... Unity has this cool feature called a gradient. Which I'll just call gradient because I'm lazy. And for each color C in color list or current colors. I'm actually wearing glasses. I never wear glasses. I wonder if my eye tracking is getting messed up. How do I set the keys? Ooh, yeah. What was that? What was set keys? Uh-oh. Oh no, this looks annoying. Keys. Okay, I have to set a length. Which is just the length of current colors. Dot count. Like so? Is that how I do it? I actually have no idea. Okay, that is how I do it. Wow, that's literally the first time I've ever had to not look up how to initialize an array, which is embarrassing. That's embarrassing to say. Not gonna lie. That's embarrassing to say. Okay. Also, I'm gonna change this from a for each to just a for loop. I is less than current colors dot count plus I. Cool. So keys dot I is going to be equal to a new gradient color key. What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you take in? A time. That makes sense. I'm assuming it's 0 to 1. So the color is just, you know, current colors. Index into I. And then the time is just 1 divided by the number of colors. 1 minus 1. Oh god, okay. 1 minus 1 divided by the number of colors times I. Does that work for 0 and does that work for 1 is the question. Cannot convert from double to float. There, now you can. Okay, so for 0, that's just 0. 1 minus... Oh wait, maybe it's not... Oh, maybe it's not 1 minus 1. Sorry, you can't see! Oh my god, I did it again! Are you kidding me? Couldn't see any of that glorious coding I was doing. Gosh darn it. Okay. 1 divided by current colors dot count times I. So does that work for, let's say the current color is 5, because that's easy. So 0.2 times 5, which is 1. Yes, that does work. Works exactly as intended. Wait, it'll never be 5 though. Minus 1? Current count minus 1? I think so. I think this is how. I think this is good. I think this is how it works. Okay. And then we, at the end, we set gradient for the lowercase I to set keys to keys. What's your damage? Oh, you also want alpha keys? Come on. Pain, Pecco. Okay, fine. We'll make some alpha keys too. I know this is not the most efficient way, but I'm lazy. Alpha key, and then we're just gonna set alpha key, alpha keys, I equals new, gradient, alpha key, which probably just takes a value. Oh, a time. Duh. It's always gonna be 1. And the time is gonna be the same. So actually we can just break that out. Flip to time. Do I have mismatched parentheses? I do. Time. There we go. And then give it the alpha keys. Okay. So now it needs a speed. Public. Is it public? We'll just have the speed. We'll just have it be one color per half a second by default. I think that makes sense. Float speed. Or what do we call it? Duration? Oh god. Duration. And then float t, which is literally time. Cool. Or wait. Wait a second. Oh shoot, there's a special case. We want the last color to be the same as the first color, right? Yeah. Yeah, so it's actually... Oh god, okay. +1. +1. Oh, why did I write 1 there? Okay, that's good. That I noticed. Wait. Oh, my brain. Is it -2 now? Why did I have it as -1 in the first place? So if it's 0, then it's just 0. If it's 2, a 4, and then it's gonna be 2.5. No, 4, 3. Oh my god, my brain is so bad. My brain is so bad. My brain is so bad right now. Cheese and crackers. Oh my god, I can't do this math. I actually can't do this math. Getting out the notebook. Count is equal to 4. I equals 0, then t equals 0. I equals 1. Then it's 1 divided by 3. 0.3 times 1 t equals 0.3. Yeah, we don't want to -1. We want to keep it as, because then it's 0.25. I equals 2 is t equals 0.5. I equals... If we want to add 1, is what we want to do. 4 or 3. T equals... No, wait, this is perfect. This is perfect. Yeah, this is perfect. This is perfect. This is exactly what we need. And then we just manually set the first one to be the last. But it's a smooth transition. Oh my god. Oh my god, and they were roommates. There we go. I solved it. I'm a genius programmer, even when my brain is literally shutting down. Okay, so now the tricky thing is we have to take that. Oh, we need to set the duration. So the duration is just going to be... Duration is going to be 0.1 times the number of keys divided by 2. Because it's going to be every half a second. It's going to change. And then t is going to be equal to 0. Will there be a sudden flash when you change colors? Yes. Do I care? No. Do I care? No. Okay. T plus equals time dot delta. T equals T mod duration so that it's always nice and smooth. And then we get the color. Color equals gradient. Evaluate for duration divided by t. And there you go. That's it. That's all there is to it. So then I have to actually set it, but then it's done. Equals color. Wait, I'm so excited for this, you guys. Wait a second. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let me add some more colors to this rainbow I have in my hex, and then we'll test it out. And then we'll go to bed. Okay. Are you guys ready? We're gonna test if it can do rainbows. That's what we're testing right now. Can we make the light sticks rainbows? Fingers crossed. I'm switching back to Unity so I don't forget this time. Clicking play. So first of all, let's check that we didn't break anything. I don't think we did. We did break something. We actually, in fact, did break something. I know exactly how to fix it though. That one's easy. We just go here and we say if saved settings dot lightstick color dot does not equal clear. Color dot clear. Then you change it. Save. So you always gotta test the base case. Always test the base case first. That's what I just did. Tested the base case. Cool. Cool. Looks good. I'm gonna set it to orange. Perfect. I'm going to set it to rainbow. And then I'm gonna spam. It's still orange. It's still orange. I can't tell if it's just not changing color or if it's changing color so slowly we can't perceive it. Let's find out. Well, it's certainly not evaluating the color, that's for sure. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Set light rainbow. Okay. Oh, because I don't have a rainbow setting. What did I have? I do have a rainbow setting. Okay, so it's not getting input. It's not getting inputted into the colors list correctly. So let's fix that. Let's go back to code. Oh, wrong again. I keep clicking the wrong thing. User settings. So this, not this thing. Not images. This thing here. It's not actually putting the rainbow one in code correctly. So we'll set a breakpoint here. Attach to Unity. Run it. Cool. Okay. This one here is just a color. That's fine. We'll continue. Color. That's fine. This one. Wait a second. Wait, huh? Wait, what's happening? Wait, I actually don't understand what's happening. First of all, let's just delete all the breakpoints because, oh my god, there's way too many. Attach to Unity. Run it. Okay, so color name is what I should be looking at, not hex. Orange. Okay, cool. Don't care. Cool story, bro. Don't care. Next is red. That all makes sense. Next should be rainbow. So this is the one that I was looking at. I should be checking if the problem is I'm checking if color is an array when in... Oh, wait, it is true. Wait, oh. Oh, stupid. Stupid. There we go. That was the problem. This. Color dot, I guess value? Yeah, whatever. Let's look at that. We're almost there. We're so close I can taste it. That's the orange. This is red. This is rainbow. Okay. Continue. Switching back to Unity. This is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth. Let's just run a base test case. Oh my god, my brain. Okay. Cool. Looks good. Now we're gonna set the light to rainbow. Nope. I got a null reference exception. I see. I see. Why wasn't that happening before? It's my question. There's no reason this shouldn't have happened. Shouldn't have happened every other time. So I'm getting a null reference exception because current colors is, you know, null. So we need to set it to something. Like so. Gradient apparently also needs to be set to something. New gradient. Okay, let's go with that. Let's try that. Base test. Oh, can't see it. Okay, remembering. There we go. And then light. Rainbow. Are you guys ready? Oh, I just... I didn't copy anything. It's just red. It's just red. Okay. Is it actually evaluating? Nope. Sure not. Okay. So we're gonna run the debugger again. Not that one. Don't care about that one. Light, rain. Oh. Ah, can't spell. There we go. Okay, so it is actually getting here. Did I do the wrong thing? Is it not yield return 0? Apparently it's not yield return 0. Apparently that's where I goofed. Unity, enumerator, wait one frame. They lied to me. They just lied to me. Maybe it is yield return null. Maybe yield return 0 stops it and yield return null waits a frame. Maybe that's the deal. Yield return null. Attach to Unity. Just gonna run this real quick. Light rainbow. It seems that it stopped. Oh no, it didn't stop. Okay, yield return null also doesn't work. Why? It says returning 0 will make it wait one frame. But that is not what's happening. Take me out to the young crowd. Buy me some peanut and cracker jack. I ever get back in its room? Even if they don't win, that's a shame. 'Cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Am I like... Am I doing something where I'm like overwriting it immediately or something? Here, I'm gonna set this as a data breakpoint. Apparently I can't set a data breakpoint. Thanks, Unity. I actually hate you so much. Oh boy. Really? I actually can't set a data breakpoint? That's not a thing? That's insane. Oh my god, I hate this so much. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna set another color. It won't let me set a breakpoint, period. Wow. Thanks, guys. Wait, what? What's going on? Because it's running? What's happening? That's so weird. Okay, that was weird. Oh. Oh, it's still not. Oh, no, no. Visual Studio's just crashing. Or not crashing, but like... being a little bitch. Oh. Oh, I can't do it on this. Oh, okay. It's stupid. Light rainbow. So it gets the color, it sets the color, it does the stuff with the color. Starts the gradient. And then it doesn't do it again. Just never evaluates again. So what happens if I run this again? Current count is still 3. You should still be running, sir. Why isn't it running? What is duration? Duration is 1.5 and time is very small. I mean... Huh. Oh, I'm stupid. I know what happened. I know what happened. This is like crashing because I'm giving it a number way bigger than 1. It's not duration divided by t. It's t divided by duration. Why didn't you guys catch me? You should have known. Let's try that. Recently, Unity does this really fun, cool thing where if it's in any sort of thread that's not the main thread, it just fails silently. So that's cool. I don't know if it's ever. I don't think this is a. I've never experienced this before. Nope, it's still just red. Huh. How very odd. How extraordinarily strange. I refuse to finish this stream without fixing this because I'm so close. I can taste it. Oh. That's interesting. Spelled it right. Why didn't it get the color out of the list? Is it print def debugging o'clock? Not quite. Wait, why? Literally. Here. Bet you didn't know you could do this. Hey, probably you did. Oh. I don't know why it worked that time. That's... Oh. Oh! Oh. Well, that's also a bug. That's an unrelated bug. This should be all the way down here. So only start the coroutine if it's not already running. But you still need to do all that other stuff. Let's see here. Okay. Attach to Unity. Let's restart it. Light rainbow. Oops, not typing. Light rainbow. Cool. It's doing all the stuff I needed to do. Oh. Maybe the problem is the gradient. I mean, pretty sure the gradient's probably fine, but you know, you never know. Seems good to me. Oops. I've introduced a new bug. I've introduced a new bug. Bool. Start co-routine equals this. Okay, and then you actually use it. Okay, cool. Let's try that one more time. One more time. That song? Okay, it's doing all the stuff I need to do. Goes to this 3 times. Good, good, good. Start coroutine. And then I need to actually break here. Cool. Just never does. Light rainbow. Okay. I think what's happening... No, it's doing it. It's doing it. What is the problem? What's your damage, bro? Yeah, it's just evaluating it once and then never do anything again. Can I actually see the... No, the static, I guess not. Okay. I guess not. Let me just Google it. Unity coroutine only running once. Why is this coroutine only firing once? Well, since you don't have a while loop. Oh, I'm stupid. Is that a thing? Since when is that a thing? In my defense, I usually use coroutines as timers and not actually as repeating things. Are you guys ready? You ready for the test? This is it. This is it. I think I'm feeling it. Do you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Do you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pug. Do you hear me smashing my keyboard. Pog. Just making a big stretch because I did a good job. Is it going too fast? Should I make it go a little slower, maybe? I don't know. What do you guys think? You need to be a sub to... It doesn't have to be this this emote. It could be any emote. But you have to be sub to my channel to use my emotes. Not that I'm asking you to sub. Please don't. Honestly. I never stream on Twitch anyways. It's a shame. Oh. Woo! There we go. One day we'll make Bull and Draw idol Otage emotes. And then she'll be a real idol. She'll be a real VTuber. Bull and Draw karaoke win. Oh my gosh. I'm so tired, you guys. So tired. I need to go to bed. We did a good job though, everyone. Clap. Clap. Maybe these emotes or maybe this gradient is a little fast. It's probably fine. Congratulations, everyone. You did so much hard work. I'm so proud of you. I'm clapping. Do you hear my golf clap? Here. Oh. I'm so tired. And guess what? After this, I need to go do more work. And I'm pain. I'm pain Pecco.
Pain pickle.
So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I hope everyone else has a really good night. And I hope you... Oh, thank you for the confetti. This felt good. This is exactly the kind of stuff I wanted to accomplish tonight. I think we did a good job. Let's be honest, I think I did a good job. You guys sat there. We take off these supposedly blue light blocking glasses, but I don't think they do. Oh gosh darn. Actually, you know what? I think my eyes actually were more comfortable having these glasses on than off. Huh. Last night I was working so late and I was so tired that I couldn't see out of my right eye. I couldn't see out of my right eye. That's how exhausted I was. And that's what was starting to happen earlier before I put on these blue light blocking glasses. Wow. That's pretty bad. I should take a break. I'll take a break when I die. It wasn't like black, but it was just really, really blurry, you know? Now get someone with a huge audience to test it again, I guess, when you're ready. Ah, oh, yeah, see, that's the problem. That's what I'm scared of. That's what I'm scared of. That's what I'm really scared of. Now, supposedly, though, I'm pretty sure that the changes that I made last night help a lot. I'm pretty sure the changes I made last night help enormously. Yeah, I don't know. I'm so curious now. Hello! Unfortunately, you've caught us at the end of the stream. I'm about to head off. I'm about to shove off. But thank you, everyone, for chilling with me this whole time. And I won't release this right away. I'm gonna wait until my beta testers get back to me with how my release from last night did. And then with the next release, I'm assuming that there'll be some bugs. So with the next release, I'll fix those and I'll add this new thing. And if not, maybe I'll send this off to my beta tester, who always helps me out, Nyaru, and she'll tell me if there's any issues. I'm sure she'll appreciate this update because she does all kinds of idle stuff. So yeah. Good night, everyone. I'm exhausted. You know, I'm probably gonna go take a bath first. It feels like it's 1 a.m. It genuinely feels like it's 1 or 2 a.m. even though it's only 10:30 for me. Okay. But again, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Thank you so much. And I'll see see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the tennis ball challenge. That'll be fun. Night.